What's happening, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. Like, subscribe, comment on my channel. I'm running it up. This is my third episode right now. So today I'm gonna show you guys my experience on a helicopter. This is my first time riding a helicopter. I was super excited to do this. I didn't even know it was happening until it was actually happening. I went to the first Donda concert here in Atlanta at the Mercedes-Benz Stadium.
In an event concert ATL. We're going to Will Call though.
I don't know what that means.
We're special.
Kanye West, man. Kanye West just inspires so many people. He inspired me. It was that passion, that drive, that just made people really feel him. I definitely left that concert with a lot of motivation and just drive to want to just accomplish things, like just start writing shit down and just do it, because Kanye West literally just shows us that us as human beings, we can do whatever we put our minds to. What's up, YouTube? I'm getting ready to go on a helicopter today. I don't know if I'll be able to record, but I'm gonna try to show y'all the experience just a little bit. You know, I want to have respect for my clients, so I don't want to, put everything out there. It's good. So honestly, I'm scared of heights. So I'm on this helicopter and I'm just thinking to myself, like, yo, this is really crazy right now. Like, I'm looking down. And it's different from a plane, because a plane, you feel a little more secure. There's less turbulence or whatever. But I'm on this helicopter and I'm like, yo, this is really what life is about. Alright, y'all, thank you so much for watching my channel. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. If you comment, please don't say some hurtful shit.